July 1st, 2025. I'm at O'Hare Airport heading out to the MGM Grand Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. Here's a tour of the MGM Grand where we're staying. Beds are lit from below. And our view is of where the Tropicana used to be. They're building the new A's Stadium. We're on the 17th floor of the main tower. Oh, that's actually where the car dropped us off down there. A couple chairs, table, lamp. They have this really nice seat here when you're getting ready. We have luggage up there right now. Big TV, different storage areas for clothes. And then the mini bar, which not going to touch anything in there with the prices. It's a really refreshed room, so it looks actually really nice. I like the lighting underneath the bed. A little sign here, and it kind of changes. Follow the call of the disco ball. Safe, iron, and then here's the bathroom. Shower's actually really nice. Here's all the product they have. Like I said, this room looks pretty remodeled. So this concludes the tour of the MGM Grand room tour in 2025. Now it's dinner time, so let's see what we can find to eat here in the Lynx Promenade. 8-foot observation, and this is the Lynx Street. I'm looking for InNOut Burger. Finally got to InNOut Burger, my first time here. The line's pretty long, so it must be good. There's the menu there. I'm gonna do a double-double, strawberry shake, and a fry. So here's the double-double, here's the fries, and then there's the strawberry shake. So here's what the restaurant looks like. And they have seating outside too. So my take on InNOut, the burger, I'd say it's a 9 out of a 10, one of the best burgers I've had. The fries, I'd say it's a 6 out of 10. They were good, they just weren't the greatest. Definitely with ketchup, they're a lot better. Trying to keep the sign in there. And the strawberry shake was probably an 8 out of 10. The pricing is actually really good. It was only $13.01 out the door for a double-double, and that has lettuce, tomato, all the different toppings on there. The fries I gave you a lot of, and then the strawberry shake's a good size. So it's actually very reasonably priced. We're gonna walk the rest of this corridor here now of the Lynx Street and see everything that there is to see there. So I'm at the Lynx Promenade. I had to ask security what it was, or what the name was. It's all kind of different restaurants. I went to InNOut Burger. They have Yard House. Behind me is the big wheel there. And they also have zip lining that cuts through. Maxie's is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Jimmy Kimmel's Comedy Club. Brooklyn Bowl. It's really nice because you feel like you're just going down a street. Here they have Ghirardelli chocolate. All the different drinks they have. I just had a strawberry shake at InNOut Burger, so I can't do that right now. Favorite, Ice Bar Las Vegas. They have a sushi burrito place. There's InNOut Burger where I ate. Flour and barley, brick oven pizza. Virgil's Barbecue. Museum of Selfies. Bistro Bar on the Strip. Have a cool welcome to Las Vegas sign here. Oh, this is a cool entrance. This is I Love Sugar. And you walk through the O in Love. All different sweets. Oh, they have the retro candy. The Gold Rush bags.
Kanske var det meningen att jag skulle fastna här ikväll.
They have all the candy by weight. Cheo Mexican Kitchen and Tequila Bar. So this is between the Lynx and the Flamingo Casino. The nice thing about this area is the prices are actually pretty reasonable. Like I said, it was $13 for the full meal at InNOut Burger. This is closed, so I believe I can just take this walkway down here. 550 feet tall and 30 minutes to go around. Let's say it's about $50 a person. Getting closer to the Sphere from the Lynx Promenade. Here, I'll just show a couple short clips of the Sphere and the different displays that it has. We started by walking the strip, starting at MGM where we're staying. Not far down from the MGM is Boulevard, which replaced the Hawaiian Village. This is just to show all the neon that's on the Las Vegas Strip. You can see the Denny sign even as the Las Vegas touch with the lighting there. Here's Paris, which is across from the Bellagio fountains. They have an observation tower at the top. Or what's left of the Mirage. That's going to be the Hard Rock. Win, and behind it the Encore. And the Venetian has the canals and the shopping and that, so I'd rather go into that. Treasure Island across the street. The Venetian. Here's the casino entrance. Inside the Venetian. So here's the Grand Canal Shops. Cool artwork. To the other side of the strip. There's Treasure Island. They used to have that awesome pirate show in the 90s and 2000s where the ship would actually sink. Unfortunately, they did away with that. That's a guitar hotel that's going to be built in the shape of a guitar when it becomes Hard Rock. I think it opens in 2026. There's Caesar's Forum shops across the street. You can't cross the street super easy. You have to wait for the bridges. There's Caesar's. I think that's Caesar's Coliseum with the orange lights around. So I'm getting closer now to the Bellagio. I'm actually pretty winded. I've walked a lot. Probably walked about 10 miles today so far. There's Paris, so we're getting close to Bellagio. Inside the Bellagio doors. Here's across from our hotel. This is New York, New York. There's our MGM there. Here's the roller coaster and the Manhattan skyline. You can see the roller coaster going through the loop there. This is a food court area of New York, New York. It's set up like New York Street, and they have different restaurants actually from New York. They have Nathan's. They have a New York deli, which we ate at. That was really good. 48th and Crepe is right there. They actually had a steakhouse as well. Here's the deli that we ate at. So we got corned beef sandwiches on rye, chips, and drinks. So a pretty low-key dinner, but it was actually really, really good there. So here's a section of the roller coaster that cuts through the casino. Most of it's outside, but this is a small section that's inside. Off-Broadway is like a convenience store. This is a steakhouse. All the different meats there. There's a New York Pizza Company. Some of the pizzas. The bar at Times Square. 48th and Crepe. They're only up until 3. So this is just walking through the streets in New York with all the different restaurants and different places to eat. Fulton Fish Fry. Some of the prices. Broadway Burger Bar. I'll say so like $15, $16. Which isn't too bad. So this will conclude the first day in Las Vegas. The next day I went to the Grand Canyon tour on the Comedy on Deck tour, which took me to the west rim of the Grand Canyon. I'll put a link up in the corner for that. That's a separate video. And in the next video to come will be Mandalay Bay, Excalibur, and Luxor. Mandalay Bay has a really cool shark reef exhibit, so I have some footage from that I'll put in the next video. I'll also add some daytime footage of the Strip of some of the casinos as well, including the Bellagio Conservatory. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.